Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about bar graphs and tables. And the I can statement is I can use tables and bar graphs to display data sets. And we actually already did this year too. We did it twice. Once near that Halloween time with the pumpkin seeds, we graphed those. And then another time on Valentine's Day, we did those Valentine's hearts and we made bar graphs. And some parts of the bar graph we didn't specifically talk about, but I think it's important that we do are the every good bar graph has a title, and the title of this bar graph is students' favorite colors. Then it has what they call a y-axis and an x-axis, and labels on the sides. So, like going up, it's the number of kids, and going across the bottom is the colors. And so, if I was to analyze this graph, I would say that yellow is the favorite color of these students. Now, it might not be yours, but this graph says that. One other thing to pay attention to is the interval. Notice that it's not going up by 1. Every time it's going up by 2, 4, 6. It skipped counting by 2s. And sometimes people do that for lots of reasons. One, their data might be so big that they have to skip count, or two, they might be trying to show the growth in a different way. So let's take a look at another bar graph. Okay, check it out. First thing I do when I'm talking about bar graphs is read the data. So I look at the title, lights on the farm, the labels, number of lights, buildings. It looks like it goes up by ones. Two different colors here. We have purple meaning broken lights, and orange or brownie color means working lights. Wow, looks like this farm has a lot of buildings with burnt out lights. The hen house looks like it has just one working light and two burnt out lights, but it's dark in there. Huh. Okay, now let's look at the questions. Which is true about the data? There were more working lights than broken lights in the hen house. Working lights. There were more working lights. That's definitely false. Okay. What about the next one? There are more working lights in all the buildings on the farm than broken ones. That is not true. Check out the data. Broken more, broken more, broken more, broken more. That one is falso. Okay, I'm going to bold that guy. There are 10 lights in the greenhouse. 10 lights. Looks like there's 5 broken lights and 4 working. That's only 9 lights. Also, again, let's check out the next one. There are more broken lights in the shed than working lights. Shed, definitely more lights. You guys, this one is the true ski one. I'm going to highlight it green. I'm going to put a little T at the end for true. I don't know why I'm so singy today. I think that one part that tricks fourth graders up is when there's 2 different colors going on at once. When you first begin, you must read the graph. Read the title, Olympic medals. Read the labels, number of medals. Ooh, not going up by ones. I noticed that it skipped counting by 5s. And then countries on the bottom. Then I noticed the key, 1996, 2000. How many more medals did Britain win in 2000 than in 1996? Well, right off the bat, I'm seeing the words how many more, and I know how many more is like a little trick, a little clue that it's subtraction. So I'm going to look for Britain. How many more did they win in 2000? So 2000, they won 30 medals. Okay, and then in 1986, they won 15. If I'm taking those two things and subtracting them, 30 minus 15, I believe that I am left with 15 medals. Actual medals. There, my friends, is the correct answer. Now let's talk about tables really quick. Tables are similar in a lot of ways in that it's another way to represent data. They have titles, they have labels, they have intervals, and all those things are important. So the first thing I do is the same as the bar graph. I read the title, favorite pizzas. I read the labels, pizza, ham pizza, olive pizza, veggie pizza, mushroom pizza, combo. I'm like wondering where's that pepperoni pizza? All right, so let's look. We have Lake High students and Walker High students. So it says ham pizza. One kid at Lake High liked it, and 13 kids at Walker. Notice how I read that from left going to right. Now let's answer the question. It says, which is true about the data? There are 20 Lake High students who were surveyed. Lake High students. So that means this whole column. So let's see, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 6, 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 6 is 16, plus 7 takes us to 13, 23? 23 students? That's false, not true. Again, I'm just going to write an F because we're working our way through here. Okay, more students from Lake High like veggie pizza than Walker High. Find veggie pizza. The Lake High kids were 6, and the Walker High was 9. And that guy is also false. Not true. Olive pizza is the most liked pizza. Not at Lake High. It might be true at Walker High, but it wasn't true at both. So I'm going to say false. More students like combo pizza from Lake High than Walker. That one's also false. I think I might have made a mistake. Which one is true about the data? I have a feeling that it might be B. More students from Lake High like veggie. No, that's not true. Well, I guess if you can figure out which one's true, email me, because I think that they might all be false. Let's look at one more table, and then I will cut you loose. Check out this one. I'm going to read it the same way I read the others. Read the title first. Zoo ticket prices. We have zoos going down, child, senior. How much does a senior ticket cost at the Los Angeles Zoo? How much does a senior ticket to the Los Angeles Zoo cost? Ugh, I said that wrong. So I find Los Angeles, I follow it over, senior ticket, $10. Fourth grade, I hope that you noticed a couple things as we were going through. I hope you noticed that in order to do bar graphs and tables, you must read the title, the labels. You've got to look at the amounts shown, the intervals in order to read it, and then the answer probably becomes a little more clear. I can't wait to see what you learned from this mini lesson. See you later.